हाय बच्चों, हाउ आर यू? आई होप आप लोगों ने मैट्रिसेस का लास्ट वीडियो देखा होगा एंड शायद आप लोगों ने कुछ सम्स की प्रैक्टिस भी करी होगी, राइट? चलिए, नाउ अभी क्या है ना कि इट्स अ वेकेशन टाइम, राइट? सबका वेकेशन हो गया है एंड यू आर एंजॉयिंग विद योर यंगर ब्रदर एंड सिस्टर्स। तो जब हम उन लोगों की पढ़ाई देखते हैं ना तो हमें कैसा लगता है पता है, अरे हमारा मैथ्स तो इतना डिफिकल्ट है पर आप लोगों का मैथ्स तो कितना इजी है, कुछ करना ही नहीं होता मैथ्स में, राइट? जस्ट वी हैव टू गो विद द एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन, राइट? मैथ्स इज वेरी इजी फॉर देम। और आपको भी ऐसा ही फील होता है ना कि जब आप अपने भाई बहनों के मैथ्स की बुक्स देखते हो। सो नाउ टुडे हम वही करेंगे। वी विल लर्न एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन इन मैट्रिसेस, राइट? ताकि आप लोगों को रियलाइज हो जाए कि इट इज वेरी इजी। एडिशन, सब्ट्रैक्शन, मल्टीप्लिकेशन कभी डिफिकल्ट तो होते ही नहीं है। सो सेम थिंग, सेम ऑपरेशंस वी आर गोइंग टू लर्न ऑन मैट्रिसेस. Okay, let us say if we have a matrices, whatever matrices we wish, चलो हम यहाँ पे लिख देते हैं 2, 3, 4, 5 which is of order 2 by 2, right? अब हमें क्या करना है? As I have told, we have to learn the addition, subtraction, multiplication. So what I'll do, अब matrices में ना एक रूल होता है। अब क्या रूल होता है यहाँ पे कि suppose this is my A, let us say I'll take a B where I'm writing 1, 2, 3, 4, and let us say I'm taking C which is only having 1 and 2, right? अब देखो, we'll write down the order, and order you know that how it is. Order is actually is equal to M by N, where M indicate the number of rows, N indicate the number of columns, right? So this is 2 by 2. Similarly, this is also 2 by 2. पर ये क्या है हमारी? Here we have the 2 rows but 1 column, right? ये हमारी है row, so that is 2 by 1. Is this clear? अब यहाँ पे हमें क्या करना है? The first thing what we are going to learn is the addition. ठीक है, चलो बच्चों. So now when we will learn the addition, we have to add A plus B. Now addition and subtraction has to follow certain rules, and the rules are like this. Addition and subtraction is possible with same order of matrices. Okay, this you need to keep in mind, that whenever you are doing the addition or subtraction, it should be with the same order, right? So I have wrote here A plus B, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. Both the orders are same, so I can add it. अब हम add कैसे करेंगे? This is my first element A, right? ये मेरा पहला एलिमेंट है A, 1, 1. This is my first element. I am writing here B, 1, 1, right? So we have to add A, 1, 1, B, 1, 1, right? If I am writing this A, first row, second element, B, first row, second element. Similarly, A, second row, first element, A, second row, second element, B, second row, first element, B, second row, second element, right? अब आप जो add करेंगे, you will add the same numbers, A11, B11. So again, a rectangular box or rectangular bracket, 2 plus 1. I can write here 2 plus 1. Then I can keep a space. I can write 3 plus 2, 4 plus 3, 5 plus 4. I know आप सब लोग को एडिशन बहुत अच्छे से आता है. It's very easy. So you will easily get the answer 3, 5, 7, 9. Right? So addition is over. And I think आप लोगों को ये easy लगा होगा, right? So addition is not a difficult task. You can simply add it. But what you need to keep in mind कि भाई जो same element है वो सेम एलिमेंट के साथ ही ऐड करना है. ओनली द वन रूल. सेकेंड, व्हाट वी हैव सेड दैट कि भाई ऑर्डर होना चाहिए सेम. क्लियर? नाउ विथ द सेम ए एंड बी, नाउ विल परफॉर्म ए माइनस बी. राइट नाउ वी हैव टू सब्ट्रैक्ट इट. नाउ व्हेन यू आर सब्ट्रैक्टिंग ए माइनस बी, again the same thing. Now what I am going to do? 2 2 minus 1, 3 minus 2, 4 minus 3, and 5 minus 4. Now our answer will be 1, 1, 1, 1. So answer is 1, 1, 1, 1. Is this clear? So we have easily performed the subtraction over the matrices and we got the answer, right? So I hope there is no difficulty with the addition and subtractions. Now let us add जो भी आपको लेना है, A ले लो, B ले लो, C ले लो. Suppose here I am saying कि चलो let us add A plus C, but we know that to add or subtract they should have the same order, but here 2 by 2, 2 by 1, so no addition, right? There is no possibility for addition. I hope it is clear, right? चलिए, now let us say ये हमने करा addition. If I say the same thing, let us, I am writing again A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. Let us say B is equal to 2, 3, 4, 5. Let us say C is equal to 1, 2. Right? Again, the same thing. The order will be 2 by 2, 2 by 2, and here it will be 2 by 1. जैसे हमने एडिशन एंड सब्ट्रैक्शन सीखा, नाउ बच्चों को डिफिकल्टी होती है इन मल्टीप्लिकेशन. क्यों डिफिकल्टी होती है? क्योंकि हमारे बच्चे इतने अच्छे ना आजकल तो कैलकुलेटर का यूज करते हैं, राइट? बट बेसिक थिंग इज दैट यू शुड नो द टेबल्स, राइट? हमारे कई बच्चे होते हैं जो अच्छे अच्छे सम्स करते हैं, पर अगर उनसे टेबल पूछी जाए ना, आज भी they don't know the tables, right? So better whenever you have to multiply, whenever you want to do any calculation with the multiplication, please thorough your tables, right? यहाँ पे हम वही करेंगे, we will multiply the things. अब whenever we are multiplying, जैसे addition subtraction का एक rule था, here also we have a rule for the multiplication. अब multiplication में हमें क्या देखना होता है? Suppose if I am writing A dot C, मतलब it's a dot product. A multiply by C भी आप ले ले लो. You can write A dot C, you can write AC, it's okay. So it's a dot product. So when we are writing AC, मतलब मुझे A को multiply करना है 1, 2, 3, 4 with the C that is 1 and 2, right? Now order is not same. तो अब यहां पे क्या रूल होगा? Let us see. This is the row, right? और यहां पे मैं इसको रो नहीं कहूंगी. I'll say it as C1 and C2. 2 columns are there. Similarly, यहां पे I'll consider R1, R2, right? हम ऐसे इसको consider करेंगे. C1, C2, R1, R2. If you have same number columns with first and same number of row with second, then we can multiply. Is this clear? यानी अगर मेरे पास number of column is same, number of row is same, then I can multiply. And how we have to multiply? तो भाई आप ये याद रख लो, ऐसे आपको multiply करना है. ऐसे का मतलब क्या हुआ? I'll take here column 1, right? Okay, now this is clear. We can multiply. See, actually it is a row, right? So first row we can multiply with the column 1. So basically criteria, what is the criteria? Criteria सिर्फ ये है कि number of columns of the first should be same with the number of rows of the second. दिस इज द प्राइम क्राइटेरिया. अब हम मल्टीप्लाई कैसे करेंगे? सो दैट इज ओके. R1 अगर हम ये ले रहे हैं R1 एंड C1, तो यहाँ पे हाउ वी विल मल्टीप्लाई ओवर हियर, 1 multiply by 1, right? Now the second element, so we will put the sign of addition, 2 multiply by 2. Okay, now we don't have any other thing, so we won't write it. Now 3, so we have to take, again we will multiply with the same, यानी पहला हमें एलिमेंट लेना है. which element it is? So let us say it is A2 1, and we will multiply with, this is our C, so it is C1 1. Clear? So how we are going to multiply? 3 into 1 plus 4 into 2, right? So here it will be 1 4 3 8. Is this clear? So when you are multiplying, so you need to keep in mind that you have to multiply the first row with the first column, second row with the first column. And what is the criteria? That column number should be equal to the row number. Okay, so column number should be equal to the row number of second, column number of first. ये याद रखना है. If this condition is fulfilled, then and then only you can multiply. I hope it is clear. Now let us do, if again same, we will do the multiplication. If A is 1 2 3 4 and your B, let us say it is 2 3 4 5, right? Now when you are multiplying this, so what we have to check? Number of column. So number of column is equal to 2. Number of row is equal to 2. So yes, we can multiply, right? Now how we have to multiply? We will multiply the first row with the first column, right? हमारा rule क्या है? We have to multiply first row with first column. Okay, first row of the first one and first column of the second one. So now if you multiply, so we will write AB is equal to 1 multiplied by 2. So 2 ones are 2. So 2 multiplied by 1. We'll put the sign of addition. याद रखना दोनों के बीच में sign of addition. 2 multiplied by 4. Next what we will do? ये वाला, right? Same row. But now we will multiply with the second column. ठीक है, ये मैंने पहला लिखा. अब मैं क्या लिख रही हूं? I am multiplying the first row with the second column, right? So 1 multiplied by 3 plus 2 multiplied by 3, right? Now what we are going to do? We are going to take 3 by 4. So 3 by 4 is what? Second row, first column. Second row, second column, right? So यहाँ पे 3 multiplied by 2 plus 4 multiplied by 4. Again 3 multiplied by 3 plus 4 multiplied by 5. Is this clear? यहाँ पे मैंने गलती से 3 लिख दिया है, but this is your 5. So 2 multiplied by 5. Is this clear? Now if you multiply, you will get the answer 2 plus 8, that is 10. 3 plus 10, that is 13. 6 plus 16, तो कितना होगा 6 plus 16, that is 22. 9 plus 20, that is 29. So this is our resultant matrices. I hope it is clear to you, right? अब एक छोटी सी प्रॉपर्टी जो है, what you have to remember is, see, वापस से इफ यू गो बैक टू योर 8th स्टैंडर्ड, आप लोगों ने कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी, एसोसिएटिव प्रॉपर्टी पढ़ी हुई है, राइट? सो द सेम प्रॉपर्टी इज ऑल्सो एप्लीकेबल फॉर मैट्रिसेस, व्हिच मीन्स दैट A plus B is equal to B plus A. A plus B plus C is equal to A plus B plus C. So this is true for the addition. I hope it is clear to you, right? Okay. Now the last is, you know about the identity unit, right? So if you multiply A or B, anything with the identity unit, you will always get the product, or you will always get the answer, that is A, right? So these are the few properties which you need to remember.